So, good evening, Philippines. Today is Tuesday, and it's September 8th, I believe. Yes, it is. And before I continue, here is the usual disclaimer. If I can find it. Let me post the usual disclaimer. Let me get out of my screen share here for a minute and just get that. If we can find it here. Oh, that's why I don't have it on my file here. So let me look for it. Give it here for a few minutes, just a minute, and I will get that. Hold on. Yeah, we just got done with anyways, before I continue, if I can just find that disclaimer. Again, I'm still trying to get used to this laptop on this side. So I think the other one always locks up and freezes, as you can see, right? So anyways, here's the disclaimer. There we are. Let me just share this screen. There we go. So anyways, before I continue, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should they be considered as trading advice. This live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am merely a retail trader like everyone else. So once again, this live webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. I do not provide any signal service. Again, this is purely for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. So with that said, here is I would say the macro view. As you can see, we've been in a steep down trend since the overnight. Look at that. So when did we get this? This is around 3 p.m. here in the Philippines, 3 a.m. Eastern in the States. So it's been a steep drop, and I think it's trying to reverse back here, but we shall see. There are some limits. In fact, I'm looking here. The price limit for this session is basically at 31. I'm trying to look for it right now, right here. U0 3186.50. Okay, so we had to watch out where that price is in 3186.50. That's when they stop trading for a few minutes and to recover. So we're far from that right now. Not that far, but again, 3186. But it looks like it's going to try to get up to the the VWAP up here. So we'll see what happens here. Again, that's what it looks like based on the macro look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay with the macro look until the RTH can fill out another view. So we'll stay with this chart. As you can see, this right here is the -1 deviation. This is the -2 deviation. So basically, we're going from -2, -1. Trying to hit here -2. I think we're going to try to hit here at -2 again, and then let's sort of say oscillate between the -2, -1 until it decides to try to get up to the VWAP here. As you can see, there's some right here. It's testing this low here. We'll see if it's going to test it or try to break it to get to -2 deviation. Again, goes -2, -1, -2, -1, and I think we're trying to get up to the VWAP up here. So we'll see. We'll wait and see what happens here. I'm trading one contract. Again, my goal is between 100 to 200. Let me see if I can get you in the other chart here. Let me see my other view here. Hold on. C3. So this is the other, more of the micro chart. As you can see there. I took an earlier trade overnight, basically lost $100, so I had to be careful here. So there's that, it's right here. You can see here where I took it, if I can get right here. Took a, what I took here, buy. Yeah, took a buy, got stopped out for a ticks $100. So right now we can see this is kind of ranging. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this in mute and I will talk to you guys later. Okay. So basically we met our goal. Gross is 275. So we're about over $250 net. So again, with that said, that should be done for the day. Again, our goal was between 100 to I'd say 300, and we've already reached our goal. And basically, it's very, very volatile. Movement is pretty fast. You can see. So with that, again, it took us less than 30 minutes. Around 200, more than 250. It's around 378. 378. So that's around, let's say, $12. 4 times 3 is 12. So we're still over 250. Okay, and just trading one contract. So with that said, I'm going to end it for this evening. What am I going to do? Today is Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your evening, and God bless. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.